Hello students, welcome to week 6. This week we are going to be working through folder 3. So if we scroll down and get to our unit folders, unit 3 will be open, and that involves our growth and development unit. You can see there's 3 folders here. Part 1 and Part 2 will be open for you. The first is on the reproductive systems. It's probably been a while since you've reviewed that from middle school health, but you will see some videos, some PDFs on the male reproductive system, as well as the female reproductive system. And then you have 2 quizzes in this folder. One is the male reproductive system and testicular self-exams. And the second one is female reproductive system and breast self-exam questions. It's important to know both parts and pieces. Many of you have family members that maybe have struggled with different ailments of the reproductive systems. And it's important to know, the prostate, if your family member has prostate cancer, what that does, what it is. If a female family member has, cervical cancer, ovarian cancer, it's important to know the structures and the parts and pieces of that reproductive system as well. And it is really important that you understand how to do self-exams. I knew a male in high school, when I was in high school, that developed testicular cancer at the age of 17. And the earliest I've heard of breast cancer is in a 16-year-old. So it's really important to understand those exams and know how to do those. If you use the breadcrumb trail and go back, the second folder talks about sexually transmitted diseases and HIV and AIDS. So what I would recommend is, as you work through these, obviously the epidemic quiz will be over these 2 links. And then once you get into the sexually transmitted diseases, I recommend opening both of these tests as you work through the content in the folder. That way you understand the information and you don't have to go back and research the articles for it. So just have the quiz open in one window and work through the reading and the links in the other window, and you should do really well on these 3 assessments. So that is your unit lesson for this week. It's simply just reading, gaining knowledge through the links and the content, and then taking the quizzes so we know that you understand the information. So have a great week, and we will talk soon. Again, don't hesitate to email me if you need anything. Thanks. Have a great day.